Hey everybody, Rycola Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you this 10-pack of 4-foot LED linkable shop lights that I got on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for you guys if you want to check them out yourself. But they are really cool, and I installed them here in my shed, and I'm going to show you right now. First, I want to show you what you get in the box. So, you get some instructions, you get a little card, but you get 10 of these. These are the linkable shop lights, and they come in plastic like this. You take that off. They come with the screws needed and little chains that you can hang them down from the ceiling if you want. But here's what I want to show you. So these linkable shop links here, they have an inline switch on each one of them, which is nice, and they have a regular plug like that. The really cool part about this one versus other ones that I've seen on Amazon and other places online is that the end of these actually have a regular outlet. Now, other ones that you have to link together on other ones online that I've seen, they have a different kind of connector, and it's not actually just like a two-prong connector like this. It's kind of a proprietary one or something like that. But anyways, you can't just link them in with the plug the plug like this. So, and I'll show you why that is, in my opinion, very important, that piece right there that you can just plug in like that. All right, so I already have electricity running my shed here, and I've got an outlet installed on a dedicated lighting circuit that I've got on my little sub panel here, but I also hooked it up to a switch here so I can flip it on and off, but that's a whole different thing. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that these plug into just any standard normal outlet here like this. As you can see, they have a little inline switch, and I just kind of, just made this wire kind of get up out of the way so it wouldn't be a problem. But it's also nice that you can switch off each individual light and switch off each light downstream from that light if you would like to, from any of the little toggle switches that are inline switches. So anyways, the reason I wanted to show you this is, as you can see here, on this switch right here, I've got 3 of them linked up here. So you can see that those 3 in a row there turned off. And I could also go after each individual one if I wanted to and turn them off at every single light. If I wanted to not have all 3 of them come on at once, whatever. But I can just show you that they are all linkable like that. But the reason that I like this setup here the best is, remember when I told you that it was important that the end had the 2-prong adapter? Well, this is an indoor extension cord because, hey, guess what? I wanted to come over, drop down, and get underneath this little loft mezzanine thing here, and the little cord that came with it was not long enough. So what I did is I just got an indoor extension cord, plugged it into that, ran it over here, and then as you can see right here, plugged in that cord that comes down through here, like that. Once again, I mounted a little switch like that, and it comes over, and underneath my mezzanine here, I was able to hook these 2 up as well. But that's why I like the kind that have the little plug on the end, is because you can just use a little indoor extension cord of any length that you want and just run it over and hook them together. So another thing I want to show you is that when I installed these things, I have a sloped roof here. So I installed them on the chains with the little eyelets that came with it, and it hangs down so it hangs flat on a roof that is actually sloped. But down here below, I wanted to get these lights absolutely as high as possible without turning them the other direction, because I didn't want them between the joists here, because I was afraid that it might cut on the light spread, that it would spread out underneath here. So I did hang them this way, but I wanted them to be as high as possible. So what I did was, as you can see, that one I screwed directly into the joist there, but over here, I couldn't reach all the way over to that other joist there. So in between, and these light bulbs are only held in by a vinyl casing, I just took a drywall screw and screwed straight through the vinyl casing and straight into the joist above. These are super lightweight, so that's not really a problem. but I just wanted to show you that you could just screw right through it if you needed to also flush mount them like I did here. So anyways, that's what I got here in my setup. I think it's really cool. In my loft, I only felt like I needed one light up there, so I went ahead and just put one light back there, but in the other direction here, I got 2 lights underneath here, and then I've got 4 lights back that direction. So there you go. That's my setup, and that's why I picked this particular brand of Linkable shop lights. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel and give me a like and thumbs up if it helped you out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.